Hey you guys, I'm going to review emanualonline.com in about 7 seconds. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we're going to jump right into this repair manual that I downloaded. I've been playing around with this. This is pretty cool. This is one huge advantage that a digital manual is going to have. Check this out. All I got to do is, okay, lubrication and maintenance. Introduction is going to tell you about your vehicle. I'll just show you. You know, your VIN number and what all those numbers mean, and all the different stuff like this. Torque references. Lubrication, your capacities, the types of oil you should use. Just super cool. Lots of information here. Go back to the tab here. Okay, if you guys saw my last video, my steering angle sensor was diagnosed as being bad. So that's going to be the next kind of major repair I'm going to do. So we'll go to steering here, and should have popped up here, but chapter 19 goes straight to the steering. It's going to give me a description and how it operates. Here's some troubleshooting. You know, a rattle or clunk. These are possible causes, and these would be the repairs, or how to correct it. So this is great. So we will go to, let's see, service information, because that's going to tell us how to remove it and install it. Click on that link, and here we go. Do removal, and step by step here. And if you're not comfortable bringing your laptop or your iPad or whatever down to the garage, I mean, you can, which is what I will do. I'm just going to print off 6 or 8 of these, however many pages there are here, 6 or 8 pages, and bring these pages down to the garage. Your torques there. It'll for each section and what you're doing, it'll give you recommended special tools. Special tools are great, and if you could afford every special tool, well, then I guess you'd have a dealership, I guess. But regular tools typically work too if you're careful. A lot of the time. So yeah, this is also, you can come here to search, and I mentioned the steering angle sensor was bad. All you got to do is type in the search here, and that's going to bring me to every mention of the steering angle sensor in this section, or in the whole manual. And so then I go up here to where is it? Okay, so we're going to search the steering. Oh, right here. Yeah, okay. Steering angle sensor. So it's this would be number 38 out of 50, and I can go up to every mention of steering angle sensor. You can just keep scrolling through. You see it here in the blue, you guys, and where it is here. So yeah, that's this tremendous resource. Go back up here to the tab, and all your different things you're going to do here. But okay, you guys, I'm giving this a thumbs up. So let's go look at the website. Okay, here we are to the website, you guys. This is exciting. I think this is so great. They've got over 500,000 workshop and repair manuals and parts catalogs in their system here. Kudos to them for gathering all these repair manuals. I'm guessing they're trying to get every one ever in existence. What an awesome resource here. So anyway, I'm already logged in, if you don't have an account, you'll have to register, and they'll guide you through that. Your contact information, your address for billing, and if they're going to mail you a flash drive of the manual you want. So anyway, look at all these trucks, power sports, which like razors and UTVs and all that, motorcycles, construction equipment, electronics, lawnmowers in here, washing machines. Anybody, well, let's go to cars, and I'll show you the one I downloaded. Look at all these different cars. Proton. I'm a car guy, and I don't think I've ever heard of a Proton. That's great. Workhorse. I'm gonna have to Google these once I get off here. But anyway, so yeah, of course I went to Jeep, Grand Cherokee, and mine is the WK model. You Jeep guys probably knows what that is. And then this one here right on top is the one I got, 05 through 08. So you will just click on that. Oh, and if you noticed all those other ones down below, a lot of them are the same thing. They just they'll put like 06, 07, just for search engine results. Because I asked them that. I emailed them and asked them, what's the difference with all these? Because I don't have time to go through every single one. So anyway, here we are. And you've got a couple of different options as far as how to receive it. The instant download, which would be this zip file right here, and 117.4 megabyte. Or you can have them mail you a USB stick or flash drive. So that's your choice on that. And if you do have trouble with the download, they will help you with that. So yeah, you'll just add it to cart, and it'll take you to the cart. And yeah, you'll of course you'll choose your currency. I'm US dollar, so wherever you are in the world. But this is great. And oh, they will take returns. I'll let you guys read through the return and refund policy here. It looks like a 14-day money-back guarantee for all products. I'll let you guys read that. But tremendous resource, I think, you guys. I think we need to support them. Keep gathering repair manuals. I've got a couple other. I've got an old Suzuki mini bike, 1972, that I'm gonna see if they have a manual on that. I hope they do. And I'm guessing they probably do. But anyway, okay, you guys, stay tuned for the wrap-up. What do you think of that, you guys? This one is a big thumbs up. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna recommend this to people. And here's that little Suzuki mini bike that I was talking about, 1972, little 50cc. I'm trying to get a manual for that, and also this 3-wheel old with a ride-on lawnmower. So hopefully they have that on there. Hey, click the my associate link in the description here, and you get 20% off. This would be great for a gift for somebody. And speaking of gifts, check out my Amazon associate link in the description too. Yeah, always good for gifts, no matter what you're shopping for. The eManual, or go to Amazon and get another kind of gift, or something for yourself too. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. For some reason, the views went down once we got monetized, and I don't know. They must not be recommending it like they were before. But yeah, we need to get the views back up, and I'm going to do my part. If you guys would just like it and share it, and please subscribe. We love our new subscribers. So you guys, God bless, and take care. We'll see you next time.